Hello guys, I will show you in this tutorial how to download YouTube videos with youtube-dl.exe. And first you have to download youtube-dl.exe and just right here, if your operating system Windows 7 like me, you just click it here. One click, it will automatically download the youtube-dl.exe. And I have already downloaded it, and I don't download it again. And you just go to the folder where you download youtube-dl.exe and just cut it here from here, and the folder where you want to download the YouTube videos to. And I have chosen my folder as YTW. I have already here youtube-dl.exe file, and you just write here cmd command prompt, and just write here youtube-dl.exe, and here have to be URL, and you don't write it here, and you just go to the YouTube video which you want to download it. Just copy the URL link and paste it here, and just click enter. It will automatically download the YouTube videos as mp4 file format, and it gets error, and sometimes it gets error as this, and don't worry about this. Just again write code youtube-dl.exe and which URL you want to download it, just and click enter. And it will get some error. Oh yeah, it's error like this, that I have already downloaded it at mp4, that's why it's getting error. And you just copy it link and copy link and paste it here, just click enter, and you see it's getting downloaded, and it will automatically download that video. And don't worry about this. You just wait while for downloading, and it will end for a minute. In a minute it will end the downloading the video, and it's not and it's so simple. Command youtube-dl.exe, and it's so simple program, and you can download it from if you want to download Facebook videos, it can download it. And so go here, this here, it's already been downloading the video, and I will pause it here. Yes guys, it's already downloaded the video. Just click it here and you see this is the video, and you don't need to play this. And I will explain to you how to convert the video to mp3 file formats. First you need ffmpeg file that is automatically converted to mp3 and another file formats, and you just write here ffmpeg, click here, download, and you can download it from here. Yes, Windows, if your operating system at 64-bit, you can download it as static. You just pay attention in here. You must download it. It's static, as a static file format, and it's 69 megabytes. I have already downloaded, and this is just a simple program. You just download it and unzip its files as like this. I have already downloaded it, and you don't need any setup exe, and this is you just write here like this if you want to convert it as mp3 file formats. dl.exe, you write here -x double dash audio dash format and double commas right here as mp3, and one space, and paste it here just where which you want to convert it as mp3 and download it. I can say as mp3. Just you just click it, enter, and just wait while it's downloading. So it's already downloaded, and let's look it. And you can see here this is my video as mp3 file formats, and it all works. Now guys, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, and if you like my video, please click like it. Thank you for watching.